think she's asleep. Her eye just ain't closed on.
No.
Thanks, you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
It was a very good experience. I'm glad I could have been here.
She's so perfect.
Alright, I'm gonna go get myself some breakfast.
Get some sleep. Get yourself some sleep.
Got my little one here.
Oh, she kicking it, waiting for you to get your.
Full night's sleep. Love you. Bye, guys.
Bye.
She's so pretty. She passed cold out. I want her to do her lip thing. She's not gonna do nothing now.
She's not.
He probably knows you're recording. She's like, no.
That's okay.
No paparazzi.